We will be using a 2mm Allen key, an electric impact driver with a 21mm deep socket, and the Fortunato radial bearing upgrade, which includes the radial bearing and corresponding spacer. Start by taking the 2mm Allen key and slightly loosening the small bolt on the side of the damping adjustment knob. Pull the knob off along with the rubber gasket. Take the impact driver with the 21mm socket and remove the center nut on the top hat. This should allow you to slide the top hat off, along with the spacer and the upper spring seat. Slide on the radial bearing with the beveled side facing up, and the corresponding spacer directly after. The top hat is now ready to slide back on. Run the center nut in with your fingers for a couple threads to avoid the risk of damaging the threads on the shaft. Tighten the assembly down with 2 blips using the impact driver. Lastly, install the small rubber gasket and the adjustment knob, making sure to avoid over-tightening the 2mm Allen bolt.